What is insurance policy? Insurance policy is a contract, generally a standard form contract between the insurer and the policyholder, which determines the claim which the insurer is legally required to pay. The insurance policy is generally an integrated contract, meaning that it's it's all includes all form associated with the agreement between the insured and insurer. In some cases, however, supplementary writing such as letters sent after the final agreement can make the insurance policy a non-integrated contract. One insurance textbook states that generally courts considered all prior negotiation or agreements every contractual term in the policy at the time of delivery, as well as those written afterward as policy rider and endorsements with both parties consent are part of the written policy. The text also states the policy must refer to all paper which are party of policy. Oral agreements are subject to the parole evidence rule and may not be considered part of the policy if the contract appears to be whole. Advertising materials and circular are typically not part of policy. Oral contracts pending in the issues of written policy can occur. Structure: insurance contracts were traditionally written on the basis of every single type of risk, where risks were defined extremely narrowly, and a separate premium was calculated and charged for each. Structured insurance contracts were traditionally written on the basis of every single type of risk. In 1941, the insurance industry began to shift to the current system where covered risks are essentially defined broadly in an R risk. Premium for endorsements to the policy that overrides the exclusive insurer. The criticized in some quarter for the development of complex policies with layer of interactions between coverage clauses, conditions, exclusive and expectation to exclusive in cause interruptive and ancestor of modern products. Complete operations has Hazard clause. The Supreme Court of California complained the instant cause presents yet another illustration of the danger of the present complex structure of insurance policy. Unfortunately, that insurance industry has become addicted to the practice of building part of an insurance contracts declaration identifies who is an insurance, the insured, address, the insuring company, what risks or property are covered, the policy limits amount of insurance. Insuring agreements describes the covered policy or risk assumed or nature of covered. This is where the insurance company make one or more express promises in identify the insured